and welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. And today I have another really fun DIY for you. This is going to be a Easter spring DIY. I'm going to be aiming more for the spring than so much Easter because I do want this DIY to be able to stay out much longer past Easter, rather than just decorate for Easter. But there's a lot of fun things that you can also do if you are looking just to do something for Easter. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the items that I'm working with. So I'm going to be featuring this really cool bird cage that I picked up about a month ago. I did haul this in one of my haul videos. This was purchased from the dollar store. So in Canada, that would be called the Dollarama. And it was $4. So if you have a Dollarama or a dollar store near you, check it out to see if they have these. This is absolutely amazing because you would pay triple, quadruple the price at any home decor store. So picking this up for $4 is absolutely amazing. You can also hang it as so. I'll be using this more as a table feature. So that's going to be my featured item. Everything else I did get from the Dollar Tree. So starting off with garden floral moss, very messy to work with. But I did pick that up at the Dollar Tree, and that was in their floral section. Actually, all of this was in their floral section. I picked up these really cute decorative birds. I got 2 of them. So this cute little blue one. And I got another one right here. And then I also picked up decorative butterflies. I like the green. I was trying to look for more subtle colors, but this was all they had other than a bunch of pink. So I got this. And then, of course, a bunch of floral. And this is all in their spring collection right now. So this wasn't in the floral section. This was actually sitting out with all of their spring items that they're bringing out, their Easter items. Look at how beautiful these are. So these are white lilacs. More of like an off-white. Super, super pretty. I got 2 of those. And I got 2 of these. Super pretty. Oh, and then really quickly, I almost forgot to mention, I will also be using this floral foam. I'm going to be using leftover that I have from several DIYs, but this can be purchased at the Dollar Tree as well in their floral section. And like I said, if you want to do more of an Easter focus, you can really switch these out for things like Easter eggs, little decorative bunnies, things like that. But this is what I'm going to be working with today, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and let's get started. guys, so here is how it turned out, but I'm going to talk to you about some alternative options and things that I'm even thinking about doing now that I'm done doing this. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. The birds didn't work out as I expected. I was going to actually put them inside, but then I realized these flowers are just so big and beautiful. They consumed the entire inside. Wasn't really thinking, but I think they look absolutely adorable sitting on top or anywhere on the side. I did switch out the butterfly because the other one, though it goes more with my decor, it didn't really pop in spring. You know, there should be some colors that are really just popping, so I really like the pink. Absolutely love how the lilac looks sticking out of the sides. That I absolutely love. I also love how the moss turned out. So it's a great way to cover the foam that I used for the flowers. And it doesn't fall out. I know it looks really messy, but once it's in there, it doesn't fall out. Now, alternatively, some things that I was thinking is I can wrap this in some really beautiful ribbon. That's one option. If I wanted to make this more Easter, I was even thinking of taking these Easter eggs. So these are eggs that I recently hauled from the dollar store, and they're they hang, so they're all like stringed together, and I just pulled the string out and gluing these around the side with hot glue. So you can do several different, I'll show you the different colors that I got, how cute that would look. If you wanted to make it more Easter, the laurels come with all different colors. So there's yellow, there's pink, there's green, there is blue, and you can decorate that all the way around. So that's another really great way to make it a little bit more Easter. So I think for me though, I'm just going to be wrapping some ribbon around. I don't have ribbon right now, so I am going to take a look at the Dollar Tree for some ribbon. And then that's going to finalize this really beautiful bird cage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really fun, quick DIY. What I also really liked about it is this bird cage is interchangeable. So this is something that I can reuse for the season. So at the end of the season, I'll probably take all of the decor out, put it in a bag, save it for next year, and then use this bird cage for something else. And it looks a little bit uneven. It's only because it's not locked. All right, there you go. I just put the camera down and I locked it. So yeah, this is something that I'll definitely use for the other seasons because I just love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really fun DIY. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. Don't forget to do that. I do tons of DIYs and planner videos and things like that. So there you guys have it. Check out my other Easter DIYs that I've already posted if you're looking for some more fun ideas. Other than that, guys, thanks so much for watching, and love and peace to you all. Bye. We are free to decide. We will love and let love. We are free to believe. We will love and let love. I saw her standing in the street alone. Her